Kidan baro Henrio spa khat saw ngut ki samlai lekai ki bala mikman na ka benta arpho nyau tali ki cha Jylla sport ki bala yo pedang ya ka scholarship ka bakot Sun Point R saw Klur Tyngka hapo jong ka scheme Chief Minister's Sports Scholarship Scheme arajar arpho san ya kini ki scholarship la sa menta ka sngi ha State Convention Center ha Shillong ha kini ka program lawan ni shibenta da menteri rang ba Jylla ukonrat ke sangma menteri katanat sports uba Shakler Wajri but kiwe ki he Sorkar
program and the scholarship that we're giving you. There are two things to it. The first is, of course, the financial support that we would like to share. Sometimes we feel that amount is too small, but there is no amount that's too small. Even small amounts can make a big difference if used in the right manner. And therefore, we feel strongly that financial support should be given in whatever way possible, and what better way than to give the sports persons who have achieved something because of the hard work they've done in the last many years, support them through scholarship, through financial aid. And the second is really simply about recognition. I have always believed that a small pat on the back of any individual, telling the person that we are proud of you, you have done great, continue to work hard, can be one of the greatest motivations you can give to anybody to be able to achieve maybe the highest goal which even he or she thought was impossible.
Kalampung Nongialehkai Inter-School Sports